Hey Internet, what's up? I wanted to start doing some more live quick builds of random ideas and prototypes. So today I had this thought that whenever you develop a big project, like relying more on AI to do it, you can immediately have it turn around and build a mini course. And so I just want to see how fast I could rapidly prototype this prompt and potential like folder structure where it'll turn your code base into a course. So let's start, and I'm going to fire up a Claude in my terminal. Yeah, so basically you put your Git repo in and then Claude or whatever LLM turns it into a interactive course. I want to do a small proof of concept. The user's goal is essentially to dive deeper into understanding the various technologies, skills, and engineering techniques used. The OG code base should not be impacted. Let's start with a prompt to achieve that, and we can work on front end after. Let's try that. All right, so here we go. It's helping me improve the prompt. So code base course generator prompt. You're a technical educator creating an interactive course from a code base. Your goal is to help learners understand the technologies, patterns, and engineering decisions by exploring real world code. First analyze, then create a learning path, module structure, concept overview, code walkthrough, real examples, interactive exercises. Cool. For example, module 3 state management with React hooks. This is great. I think we should assume the user has little to no experience. So for any interactive example or practice assignment, you should make sure to guide them through setting up the most simple development environment. Cool, so now it's going to add that. All right, we're back. So now it's added those changes. So yes, go ahead and generate those modules, but first write that prompt to a MD file called something smart that you decide. Should be good. Okay, we're gonna just let it cook and see what happens. Okay, it's still cooking, and while it's doing that, what I want to do is let's spin up another Claude. I'm working on a coursify your Git repo. a way for vibe coders or anyone wanting to learn more about software engineering to learn based on a dynamically generated course from a Git repo. You're actually helping me with this in another tab, but I want your help to create a high-level structure for a simple prototype front-end UI. So it would be connected to Claude or OpenAI or whatever is easy for my prototype, proof of concept, and you add a Git repo, and then it generates the course and displays it. Your job is to build the front end structure, nothing more. You don't have to worry about the integrations. I just want the wireframe, essentially. Let that cook. Let's go back. It's still whisking. Let's see if we can take a look at it. It's reading. Cool. So it's creating it now. Okay, while that's happening, this is happening, which is fantastic. And Claude has a great front-end designer that I should try and, let's see, skills. That's might only be available online. We'll see. Okay, so now it has made a HTML file. And then this is just the shell. This is still making the actual course. First 3 modules. And then it's going to show us a quick peek. Cool, so getting started. Environment setup, project structure walkthrough, code exploration exercises, runs them through cloning, installing, and running the dev server. That's cool. Full user journey, so teaching people about this sign-up process, system architecture with a mermaid diagram, database schema walkthrough, state machine, edge functions, catalog, React fundamentals. Every exercise is actionable. And then, okay, so see, it already wants to generate this. So let's, okay, we're gonna let that go. And I need to stop loom and start loom again so that I can show you the view. All right, here we are, opening up the Coursify prototype. So you put in an example Git repo, you would connect somehow one of your LLMs and then give it some more information. Then you generate a course. And then this looks pretty cool. This is the very first setup. And I could probably put in some more clear prompting in terms of like tone or speak like a beginner, or we could customize it. Let's click next lesson. Doesn't work. Yeah, this is literally just an example. Let's see if Claude is going to actually add the modules. This is good. But this is it. I mean, this is the idea. It will create a course for you from your own code. Oh, snap. That looks smooth. That looks really smooth. Cool. Let's see. Made it way prettier. Okay, cool. These work. This is great. This is awesome. I mean, obviously, this is just a few minutes playing around, but this is exactly what I was envisioning. And so I feel like there's a lot of potential here, especially for students. You just throw in any Git repo and it creates this. I think this would be really fun to do with some crazier repos as well. But thanks for watching. That's going to be kind of a rough first video, but I just wanted to show you what happens when I sit down and start trying to work on an idea. There's a lot that could be done to improve this. Let's give Claude some props. This is awesome. Great start. Let's organize this into its own project folder, and under projects, and commit these changes to the local Git repo. Thanks for watching.